Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I am sharing some of the progress that I am making on the living room that belongs to the gigantic house that I'm starting to work on. So this is the living room, and what you see here in orange is just the template. That's all it is, and you can see that on the top it says gigantic house above living room windows. And the reason why I wrote that in there is because if I ever want to change that wall, I'll have a permanent template. So this is not going to be affixed to the wall. I'm going to use some decorative paper and I'm going to cut it by the template, and that will give me a perfect cut for that wall. Now down here I purposely did not enclose this way, like this goes here, right? But I didn't enclose it because when I cut my decorative paper, I want to cut it only up to there. If I placed this here and I enclosed the entire thing, then I would have to recut my decorative paper and cut out windows, and I don't want to have to do that because the windows are pretty hard. Anywhere where you have windows and ledges, that's not the fun part for me, cutting out. But you know, I already did it here, and I'll cut the decorative paper by that piece, and then whatever's left I'll cut it by this piece, and I'll have a perfect wall there. And then these are my three colors that I'm using in this living room here. Excuse me, I have a cold and I just can't get over it. So anyway, these are the three colors that I'm using here, and the wall that's going there is this one right here. This color is going to go on there. This one is going to go above the fireplace, but that'll be a separate video, totally separate video. Each wall is going to be a separate video. This one here is going to be the brick wall right there. So let me just give you a little glimpse of what it would look like. Once I place it here, this is what it's going to look like. So that'll be a brick wall. I showed you the color I'm going to use there, and I'll use this one above the fireplace because it blends in with those colors. So on this wall I have to do a lot of cutting when I do it with, you know, using the template because of those edges and everything. But I have one wall done already as far as the template. And for this you will need some Scotch tape. I used Scotch tape to join the pieces of paper that I wanted to join. And you'll use maybe like a fine tip pen or a sharp pencil. That's best because at least your lines will be really thin and you don't have to. Don't use markers. Don't use thick markers. It's better if you use a sharp pencil or a thin tip. And then you need the scissors, you'll need the ruler, and you'll need your template paper, whatever color that is. Okay, so I'm working on it and I will be back. I will be back first with this wall here. This is the one that I am focusing on. Okay, so I'll be back. And thank you for watching.